Hey, welcome everyone. This could draw new day, new video, and as usual, we're gonna do some lead code problems. So for new ones, let me just adjust the camera. For the new ones, this could draw, and we do a daily coding challenge until I get a job or internship. So basically, we do lead code problems or coding problems or projects. So don't forget to follow me on my GitHub. This is my GitHub here, and you can find my other social media account in the YouTube bio. This is my LinkedIn, this is my GitHub, this is my Instagram, and you can find the Discord here that you're free to join it anytime you want. Without further ado, let's go to the lead code problems. So today is day 60. We've been like streaming for 2 months. It's really like a big milestone. So yeah, and I got a new haircut. Oh, what do you think? It's cool, yeah. Okay, so let's continue doing the lead code 75 problems. So we already did 61 of them. Okay, so we'll continue. Okay, so let's do the monotonic stack. So we already did a problem yesterday about it. Let's just our x3 draw. Okay, so I think this is the problem of yesterday, yeah? Yeah, it is. So let's read this. Your country, did you get lead code badge for 15 days? Your country, I'm living in Tunisia, right? Yeah. So Tunisia and North Africa. I think I didn't get the badge, yeah. So okay, so let's check. Did I got it? No, I think not. I think not. I think I didn't do like 15 streak. Okay, it's max streak. It's 12 because I have a rest day. Okay, but yeah, it's been a good month. Yeah, so I did like 100 problem till now. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, so let's get back to our problem. So here, online stock span. Okay, so design algorithms that collect daily prices, codes for some stock, and return the span of the stock price for the current day. Okay, so the span of the stock price in one day is the maximum number of consecutive days starting from that day and going backward. Okay, so for which the stock price was less than or equal to the price of the day. Okay, so for example, if the price of the stock in the last 4 days is 7212 and the price of the stock today is 2, then the span today is okay. So because it's 2 and then 2 and then 1 and then 2, it's lower or equal or less or equal, because starting from the day the price of the stock was less than or equal than 2 for 4 consecutive days. So we're gonna insert for, okay, so also if the price stock in the last 4 days 7 30, 34 1 2 and the price of the stock today is 8, then the span of the day is 3, because starting from the day the price of stock was less than or equal 8 for 3 consecutive days. Okay, are you on LinkedIn? Yeah, I am on LinkedIn actually. You can find my all social media account in the YouTube bio. I'm happy to connect with you. Okay, so implement the stock spanner. So stock spanner initialize object of the class and int next int price return the span of the stock. Okay, so here we have span next 0. Okay, so now we have 100. This is gonna be null because there is no day before it. This is gonna be 1 because there is only one span less or equal than 100, which is 100 itself. This will be 1 because the element before is greater than 18. Nice haircut, bro, looking like you. Hey, thank you, man. Here we have 80. So here we will have 1 because there is no day before it that that there is a span, 60 will have 1 also because there is no element less or equal than 60. Here in the 17 it will be, I think, 17, 16, it will be 2. Yeah, it is 2 because 17 is less or equal than 17 and 16 is less or equal than 70. So we're gonna count those two elements. 16 will have only 1 because this is greater than 16. 75 will have 75, 16, 70, 60, so it will be 4 elements. So we're gonna count the elements less or equal than 75. In the 85 it will be 85 and 85 and 75 and 16 and 17 and 16 and 80. So it will be 6 elements. Yeah, so 6. Okay, so I think it's not the hard, but the dealing with span and price. Okay, so the class here is next 100, next 18, next 16. Okay, so public okay, so we're gonna initialize our stack because we'll need stack. Okay, so let's just draw some things to know it better. Okay, so I think we're gonna have this list, 100 here, here 18, here 16, 70, 16. Okay, I'm gonna bring it here. Okay, so 16. I'm gonna write 85. Okay, here. So I think we're gonna iterate through this. So we're gonna go through this all, and we will have a stack. Okay. So every time we go, or I think I'm gonna do it backward. Yeah, it's backward. Yeah. Yeah, it is. So if here we have 85, I have to shut up this. Okay, so here if we have 85, we're gonna count the numbers less who has values that are less or lower than it. Okay, so every time I'm gonna put this here. Okay, so 85, and then it's gonna be lower than it, so it's 60, and then it's 70, or I'm gonna make 17 and then 16 and then 18. Okay, and when we got the 100, I think. Oh no, I think I'm gonna do plus. I have to revise the monotonic thing. So I have a resume on the lead code patterns, which are like, I have this resume about the lead code patterns. So if anyone want this resume, you can DM me through my LinkedIn or my other social media account if you want me to send it to you. Okay, so I think I'm gonna push. I'm gonna start from the right to the left, and then I'm gonna push while is empty and while stop is not lower, is greater than it. Is greater than it. while the okay, so let's delete all this. Okay, so while this is greater than it, so the top will be nums of equal nums of I. I have to think about this. I think I'm gonna initialize like a count. What do I count? It can be like while s to top. So now we're gonna make 85. Okay, while s to top, nums of s to top. I'm not finding it. I'm not finding it. Okay, so I'm gonna write the basic like algorithm, and then I'm gonna modify it a bit. Okay, so let's make this like this, and here we're gonna define the stack. So new stack. The stack has to be like two. Okay, so I'm gonna define it here. Stack S will be new stack of integer. I think we're good now. Okay, now stack will be S. Stack, I think this will be S. Okay, so I'm gonna deal with this later. Okay, so let's just focus on the logic. Okay, so now as I said, we're gonna iterate through the right to the left. Okay, so I'm gonna no, I'm gonna make a for loop. Okay, so a for loop from the left to the right. Int I equals 0. We only have price. Like I feel dumb when like lead code categorize this problem as medium, and I feel that is so hard. I feel I really don't feel that is medium. Okay. Okay, so let me search about this. The okay, so we don't have for int I. Okay, so we don't have the price. Let me just okay. Now I'm not finding anything. Okay, so I think I'm gonna make for int I. I don't have a list. I don't have a list. So next, for int I, next int price. Like, where is the list? Your stock round will be initialized and called new int param object dot next. But the keyboard is not okay. New stack of integer. Okay. It's gonna be correct. Okay, now I'm not I thought that we have a list that we're gonna iterate through it, but I think we're not. The input. It's about now 16 minutes and I can't find the solution. Okay, so I think the approach, if you have like a list, okay, we're gonna initialize the last index. So we're gonna initialize 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 6. Now we're gonna go with the while stack is not empty. Thank you, man. Thank you. Welcome stream. While the stack is not empty, and we're gonna go. So we didn't find where price of price of stack dot peak, which is the 85, is lower than lower than slower than what? No, it's not slower. Array of I. I have to organize my thoughts. Okay, so this while it's gonna do pretty much all the logic. Okay, so and the let's call it array. Okay, array of I is greater than is lower. Actually, it's gonna be lower than array of lower or equal, I think, stack of stack dot peak. Okay, we're gonna let me just see the algorithm. I think it's okay, it's lower. Then the output, I'm gonna make it ans of s dot top will be equal like the array of I, and then we're gonna pop it. Okay, pop the element. So this will be 6, and then no, it's not gonna be s.pop. It's gonna be it's gonna be we're gonna have an index, okay? No. I'm not finding it, chat. I'm not finding it, okay? Okay, so let me search about the monotonic stuff. Okay, so so I think here we're gonna initialize a int span, okay, and then we're gonna s.empty and stack.peak is lower than the price itself, which is the what is this price, and here this will be stock.peak, okay. So 85 is lower than price. We're gonna add to it. Okay, so we're not gonna do all of that. I think we're gonna add to the span plus equal stack.pop. Okay, and we're gonna return span every time. And then we're gonna push the new element, okay. Stack.push new, like I feel dump, man. Okay, it's 22 minutes. No, I think I didn't fight. I think I'm not gonna find it, so I'm simply gonna I'm gonna just try an idea that I have it, okay, and then I'm simply gonna see the solution if the idea didn't work. Okay, so I think here I'm gonna define the stack. I think I'm gonna need to edit a private, and here it's stack of int. I'm gonna call it stack, okay, and I don't really need this, and then stack will be new stack of integer. I think this is good. New stack. Okay, so now what did we say? What's the whiteboard? Okay, so it is here. Okay, so let me just, what is the other ones? Okay. Okay, so now, okay, now good. Okay, so I think I'm not gonna use like the, I'm gonna define the int span, okay? equal 1, and then as I said, we're gonna make a for loop. No, it's not for loop, it's while loop, because we're already gonna input things, okay? So while stack is not empty, and the stack dot pop, I think stack dot pop, stack dot peak of 0, which is the price, because it's like combined of a price and span. Dot peak of 0 is lower than price itself. Price, prank in the sky. Do you know him? The TikTok guy about pranking the sky, pranking me, and okay. And then I'm gonna add in the span. I think we have to define the span. Oh, we're gonna count. We already defined it. So span, we're gonna add it to the stack dot pop dot get value. I think we're gonna need like dot get value dot pop. Okay. And then after all this, we're gonna return span. I really don't think that will work. Okay. Oh, it has to be its value, which is the price or the span. Okay, so the price is 0. Oh, the span. Okay, so 1. At least you have no error. Okay. Okay, I think we're not that far. Okay, I think we're close. 1 1 1, and then it's all 1. It's all 1. Why it's all 1? I think we have to push stack dot push the stack element are what? Price? Oh, we don't have like other input to push it. Int cannot be converted to int. Oh, it's an int. Okay, so the stack, it is a int. Can I just cast it like int of price? Okay, so how I'm gonna do it? Oh. I think those kind of problems are a little bit tricky, okay? And I really don't know if I am the dumb person here or it's like hard, okay? Very badly explained question. It's code you can do better than this. This problem is badly descripted. Yeah, okay, yeah, I cannot know how to use the input, okay? Okay, so I don't want the solution. Format of input. How make use of input? Can I know explain? Looking fresh and sharp. Thank you, man. Thank you. Welcome stream, man. Uh, okay, I'm really not knowing how to deal with the input here. I'm gonna search about this. Oh, okay. It's not only price. Oh, yeah. Two objects, as I said. It's price and span. Yeah. I think this should work here. Man. Okay, what's the problem here? Um, expected. Okay. I don't really think this the error, but let's see. Oh, okay. Okay, now it's about 31 minutes. Okay, let's see the solution. Python, Java. Can I do it like this? Okay. Okay, it's not the same thing, okay. Oh, okay, okay. Wait a minute. Hey, new, okay, new. Oh. So, into, I think new, it's, do I have to make like those? Okay, so I'm gonna make those. Okay. Oh, thank God. Thank God that worked. I really don't feel that this problem is medium. What the oh, okay. I really don't feel that this problem is. Where are you going to find job posting? How are you applying? How often? Um, through LinkedIn, through Indeed, through Glassdoor. Uh, I'm really not. Honestly, I'm not applying to job because I'm still a student. But I will update my resume, my CV, and I will start to apply. I really. I found an internship already, and anything you've learned so far on more effective or less effective strategy these days. Well, I think the lead code is not useful in real like it's useful to the logic how to solve problems, but you have to learn also technologies. So I think the technologies are more like effective or more. It's better to learn it. Have you done any? Yeah, I already done it. DP problems. It's the DP1D and the TB multidimensional, but I think I'm not that good in it. Okay, so let's submit this. Let's see if it's work. Okay, that didn't work. Okay, what's the problem here? man. Man, I already like saw the solution, man. It's the same thing. Okay? So, literally, oh, okay, okay. It's an equal. Yeah, yeah, it's an equal. It's an equal. Yeah, I think this should work. Thank God, man. Thank God. Man, I really felt the problem is hard. I really like. Okay, so 01. This very good. This is very good, man. Uh, okay, now it's about 35 minutes or 36. I think I'm gonna end the stream here because I really don't feel like I'm gonna make the second problem like I'm not gonna I'm not feeling like I'm gonna do it. So I think I'm gonna. Hey, thank you, man. So I think I'm gonna end the stream here. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you liked this video. Hope you liked the stream. If you want me to make more content like this, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like this video. Um, so as I said, I think I'm gonna end the stream here. Thank you everyone. Uh, as usual, we're gonna stream every day. Just tomorrow, it's a rest day for all of us. Don't forget to take a day rest. It's not it's not bad to take a rest. So have a good weekend, have a good evening, and see you Monday. Good night.